Yo guys, this is Joshua Booster here. Pero syempre, pumunta muna tayo sa basketball. Mahaba-haba ding buwan, mahaba-haba ding araw na hindi ako nakakapag-upload kasi lagi akong pagod sa sa business namin. May junk shop kasi kami. Hindi na ako nakakapag-upload kasi laging pagod. Pero ngayon magbabalik YouTube ulit tayo. Bukod pa ron, hindi pa ako namo-monetize dito sa YouTube ko. Matagal pa. Meron pa lang akong 10 watch hours bago ko makompleto yung 4,000 watch hours. Matagal pa akong magkakasahod dyan. Matagal pa akong magkakaroon ng partnership sa YouTube kasi tagal ko din tumigil eh. So okay guys, review natin yung kay Kyrie Irving. Syempre, walang iba kundi si King of Ankle Breaker. Ang pinakamalupit na mag-crossover sa NBA. So okay guys, go na tayo. Teka. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Joshua Bustria. Okay lang. Kung gusto niyo, kung ayaw niyo mag-subscribe, di okay lang. Pero sa mga totoo kong fans dyan, mag-subscribe na kayo para sa sa mga bago kong uploads. Ngayon guys, mag-upload na tayo. Matagal din kasi ako nawala eh. Siyempre nakakatamad din kasi gumawa kasi pagod ka na rin sa sa junk shop eh. Sana maintindihan niyo ako. Start tayo.
I am a fan of Golden Hopes.
I just think we need to do a better job.
Ulit natin.
I don't agree with that. I just think we need to do a better job.
Ooh!
Just three.
Grabe. Talagang nalito si Stephen Curry din sa sa ginawa ni Kyrie ah. Lupit noon, men. Napakalupit na ankle breaker.
12 to start for the Warriors.
Uy!
Irving, shake and bake, and trying to have this dance. Now you see me, now you don't.
Suave.
The beautiful jump shot in rhythm. Cavs rolling Irving. Gets his own rebound. Kyrie Irving. Crossover, got it!
Lupit nun ah. After si Kyrie ah. Lupit. Napakalupit ng ginawa ni Kyrie do. Lupit talaga. Tuloy natin.
Who's and ahs from the crowd.
Kyrie Irving. What a handle.
Beyond the 7-minute mark of the second quarter. Shot clock is down to 3. Kyrie Irving doing it from the defensive line.
Ooh!
To get free. Put that shot up and
Kagaling.
Kyrie missed.
Lupit na. Uy!
Oh my goodness. Kyrie.
Web!
Too good.
It was close. Nasty. So nasty. Too nasty. Truly nice work. Nice work, Kyrie. Uy! Grabe! Grabe, binalinggan mo, no? Talaga. Yun talagang highlight talaga. Lupit. Grabe. Uy! Lupit na yun, no? Grabe.
It is nothing that you would rather do in an all-star game but to cross someone over, make them fall and hit the jump shot.
Pambihirang yun. Lupit nun, men. Lakas.
Irving again. Wants an eyes from the crowd. Manages to get the ball back. Putting on a show with the ball handling. Layup! Good they can
That's
be in
pretty
the big
close.
picture because when all three of them are out there, there's no question they are,
Uy, yun.
if not the
Lupit
most
nun.
talented one. Working the glass tonight. Behind the back.
Uy.
Which way did he go?
Nakita niyo yun? Nakita niyo yung ginawa niya, no? Talagang napalingon dun si itong dating player ng ng Piston, hindi ko alam kung si Prince ba yan. Lupit nun ah. Sayaw talaga. Astig.
Gang goes and he goes for three. Against a premier. Back up by double digits. Kyrie behind the back. Which way did he go? Says Prigioni. Oh, he lost him. He lost Kyrie Irving.
Nag-trumpets, no? Lupit nun. Uy, ba? Meron pa nga may ganun pa. Ads na naman.
And he made him.
Well beyond the floor. Jefferson's an active teacher
Indiana's collection of young bigs, frequently working and talking with them during drills. McMillan told me Jefferson still sees himself as a player, but has done a great job.
Etong mga gantong style ni Kyrie, talagang mapagkakatiwalaan mo siyang magdala ng bola. Napakalupit niya, grabe. Kapag siya umiscore, talagang mai-score. Lupit ng mga ano niya, no, ng mga ng handle niya. Minsan ginagano pa yan, minsan isang kamay niya, ginagano pa niya. Isang kamay lang nakakapagpasayaw siya. Para sa akin, para siyang gagamba. Spider-Man. Ang dami niyang kamay para sa akin Oy, wag niyo sabihin OA ako Basta ang dami niyang kamay.
As a part-time coach.
Not out of his restrictions. Coming off the shoulder surgery, that's how good a shape he's in. Kyrie inside, spins out! Kyrie ridiculous to the hole!
65.
Tapang nun
Irving, the crossover against Bonga. Boy,
Uy,
somehow kept
grabe.
his pivot foot down.
Korver's come back in.
That was too fire,
Irving
man.
spins, Irving
Uy.
tries, gets inside, throws it up. And banks!
Sumabay pa yung tatlo, no? Grabe. Sino ba ang kayo ba napanood yung ganon? Kay Kobe Bryant. Lupit nun Sumabay pa yung tatlo sa GSW. Ginano, no? Hinagpap, tiniwakik sa taas, no? Kumagat yung tatlo. Grabe.
And the buzzer's sound!
Bukod pa dun, nalampasan niya yung tatlong, yung isang defender, si Klay Thompson ata yun.
Brilliant! Some offensive talent. Nearly falls, drives now, spins back, tough fall away shot, it's good! Kyrie Irving!
On a roll,
Hmm.
the balance, the handle, and the ability to create just enough separation to get a clean look.
Sexy. Uy,
Irving behind the back.
pambihira talaga.
And with it, 7-7-3.
Uy, grabe,
One of the great ball handlers in the game shows you why.
grabe.
Fast break points, suddenly 20-11.
Hmm.
Irving. Way to go! Still looking for that Ohio license.
Wow. Grabe. Lupit, man. Lupit.
Curry's got 20. Lost it. Curry helped poke it away. Now Thompson defending Kyrie Irving. Stays with him. Tough shot, banks it home. What a play from Irving. Thompson was
Nung panood ko itong laban nila sa Cleveland, sa GSW. Magaling nadidepensahan pa rin siya ni Klay Thompson kahit papaano. Pero kahit papaano nalulusutan din naman niya. Nadidepensahan siya ni Klay, nalulusutan din si Klay. Dito natin masasabi na pantay lang talaga ang lahat ng player dito sa NBA. Walang pinakamagaling, lahat magagaling.
5%. And his minutes per game, if you take him off the floor, he can't stand it. Like, available.
plays screens well. Irving
Lusot pa rin
flips it a Baines. Counted and one. Kyrie Irving with some more razzle dazzle. And it
Sabay
results in
pasa.
Baines with a chance for a three. Crossover. Irving. Left hand.
Grabe
That's
naman.
sweet.
Lupit.
Kyrie with it.
Galing yun. Uy.
The Cavalier offense the last couple of games has been so efficient as Kyrie Irving nails that one.
Ganda ng depensa ni Klay Thompson doon, pero na-shoot pa rin ni Kyrie masasabi ko na malupit na defender si Klay. Hindi lang siya pang shooting. Kung sinasabi ninyong mga haters ni Klay Thompson kayo na hindi marunong dumepensa si Klay, ayan ang patunay, magaling dumepensa si Klay Thompson kay Kyrie, pero na-shoot pa rin ni Kyrie. Kaya dapat ma-appreciate natin si Klay Thompson nung kapanahunan, yung kalakasan niya at kapanahunan niya. Marami siyang pinahirapan, grabe guys. Iba yung niya, iba yung galing din ni Klay, no. Ang shooting niya straight talaga, no. Yung tipong shoot na shoot talaga. Ibang klase.
Does his job.
Tingnan niyo.
Active hands, contest.
Oh.
That's just great offense by Kyrie Irving. A spectacular offensive weapon.
Irving using the Drummond screen.
Talagang, nakita nyo yun na. Yung bola talagang dinala niya sa ere, no? Yung tipong hindano, no? Talagang ginano, no? Ginano, no? Ito, ganyan niya. Ginano, no? Ginano, no? Lupit nun, men.
Number again here.
Well, why not?
Look at that. Taking out his do-it-yourself
Look at
hit.
Oh.
Off glass. Good. Timeout Raptors. Could be
My
closing time.
gosh.
Watch the release.
Remember now, he's right-handed. This is such a strong move. Once I get ahead now.
When the day looks in good shape, that is I've ever seen him look.
What a handle from Irving, who then magically puts it home.
Lupit nun, no?
Scored by Kyrie Irving.
Isa pa sa mga napapansin ko kay Kyrie, kahit nasa sahig nasa sahig niya yung bola, ginaganon niya yung pagka yan, di ba, nasa sahig, di na i-dribble, ginaganon niya para makaangat uli yung bola, ginaganon para tumalbog uli yung bola sa kamay niya. Lupit noon, men. Talagang ganyan na magdala ng bola si Kyrie, no? Nakakala mo traveling pero hindi pala, no? Lupit noon.
Spins away from Delfino. Goes in.
South Carolina AU squad there. Kyrie Irving.
Lupit noon, no?
That's not even fair. In his bag like
Watch Kyrie Irving. Just watch the handle, folks. Just enjoy it. You can see he's gonna make some.
Talagang kumagat si Steven Adams dun sa ginawa ni Kyrie yun, Lupit, man. That was nasty. That was pretty close. That was epic. That was amazing. Oy. Tuloy natin.
Steven Adams.
Games for Boston, particularly in that Game 3 shocking win. Here's Irving on the drive.
Shoot pa rin
I
ngayon,
love his game, man. This was handles that he like, and he told me Kyrie Irving, so great to have a seat front row right here to watch.
Playing right now is far too much for Allen. I hope Andre continues to be aggressive as an offensive player. Looking to score.
Irving moves and on from the crowd, and Irving with a finish. Wow.
And then this handle is something to behold.
14 threes, 14 of 33. That's the game.
Bilis ng kamay niya. Ay, chirap. Parang impyernong depensahan si Kyrie Irving, no, kapag magdi-dribble siya ng bola. Kailangan mahuhusay na defender talaga, ipabantay mo sa kanya, no. Kagaya ni Kawhi Leonard, ni Klay Thompson, sino ba magagandang diyan. I-depensa diyan si Giannis Antetokounmpo, yan. Basta marami pa. Anthony Edwards, mga ganyan. Mga magagandang ipandepensa kaya, kay Kyrie. Lupit nun,
Irving against Randall. Oh, what a fake. Kyrie!
Oh, man.
Coming out of halftime, just wanted to be
Lupit naman,
aggressive, leave my guys, and leave it all out there.
Talagang nag-fake siya, Nag-fake siya ng gawin ni Kyrie. Behind the back, akala ipapasa sa likod. Yung palig ginano, Pero lupit naman. Ang dami niya na biktima doon. Super dami niya na biktima. Ibang klase si Kyrie. Best handler. Best ball handler sa NBA si Kyrie. Mas magaling siya kay Allen Iverson. Pero better player kay Allen Iverson tayo. Pero astig tong ginawa niya ni Kyrie. Astig na siya. Talaga siya. Pang showtime, pang highlights, pang show. Pang gano'n nga. Pang highlights. Pero hindi siya magaling bumuhat ng team. Pero better siyang kasama. Dahil maaasahan mo talaga yan sa lahat. Scoring, pagdepensa. Kyrie. Pero hindi siya pwede magsolo si Kyrie. Hindi niya kakayanin. Hindi, unlike kay sa mga player niya, no, kagaya ni Derrick Rose. Kung si Derrick Rose, magaling mag-ball si Derrick Rose kumpara kay Kyrie. Masasabi ko nga, na-entertain ako sa ano niya, sa ball handling niya. Tuloy natin.
Irving crossover inside. Oh, sweet move from Kyrie.
7 rebounds, 1 for his averaging 13 a game.
Oh, what a crossover by Irving. Another open triple. Got him. Rebound. Allen had been the start of the first couple games. And look at the speed profile. Irving going coast to coast.
Shooting nga, no? Gumagamit pa siya na sham god, no? Kapag ka-sham god niya, talagang ano, tumatakbo habang habang tumatakbo nagsha-sham god, no? Lupit na na. Kahit niya isang kamay na lang gamitin niya, kaya niya magpasayaw ng player eh. How much more kung dalawa pa. Lupit na na.
Traffic and gets a layup for 2.6.
Dialed in today in Washington.
Irving raising up. Oh, a little bit of
Video, you know what I'm talking about. She's a real athlete.
Nag-slide muna,
I
no?
think the ball handling of other players.
with the guy that can come off pin down, come off screens, and the defense can't pretty much defend that at times.
Wait.
Irving now in the corner is guarded by Osmond. Irving spins, fires from the baseline.
Ulit natin.
And the defense can't pretty much defend that.
Ito nasa net siya. Ito nasa net. Saan lupit na to, ah.
Irving now in the corner
Yan,
is
yan,
guarded
yan.
by Osmond.
Uy! Uy!
Irving spins, fires from the baseline.
Sipin mo, no, kahit spin lang, no, napag-iwanan niya yung player sa Cavaliers, no. Lupit nun, men. Saka makakita ng kanyang player. Kaya niyang iwanan ng ano, no, sa pamagitan ng spin lang. Sino bang gumawa pa niya? Marami na, I think, pero mas malupit to. Pero may mas malupit pa yung ginawa ni Jason Tatum sa Boston. Lupit din nun si Jason Tatum, ah. Bentang-benta rin kasi yung mga ganung galawan. Parang kay Michael Jordan, guys. Tuloy natin.
Sliding. Trying for a mirror image of the other one. Couldn't get it. Carries. Irving handles. Fade away. Got it. Irving trying to break down Big Al. Spinner. Oh my! That is a Houdini shot. Where did that come from? Got more. Irving on the right side is bothered by Rice. The guy is back. I read it right. Split a double down the lane. 7 minutes to go in the third. Irving with a head of steam. The Euro. Kyrie. Going to the back door.
Lupit mo, eh. Oh, lupit, man.
Well, they still have the ball. Shot clock at 6. Irving crossover inside.
Parang nakikita natin sa kanya, parang buhakaw siya, no? Bukod pa ron, para sa akin, ano eh, hindi din, idol ko siya sa, ano, pero, sa highlights ko nga lang siya gusto. Pero yung, ano niya, pero hindi nga siya, ano, hindi, kumbaga, second option lang siya. Kumbaga, hindi siya makakapag-buhat ng team, guys. Hindi kaya. Pero amuan siya, na-appreciate ko yung, ano niya, pagiging ball handler niya.
Good spurts for this.
Super na, ano ko.
No. Look at this.
That was too nice, man. Yan si Kyrie Irving. Lupit nun. By the way, susunod